Think about the last time you strapped a virtual reality headset to your face. You adjusted the heavy, front-heavy plastic brick, ignored the grainy screen door effect, and tolerated that slight distortion in the lenses just to catch a glimpse of the digital future. Now, erase that clunky experience entirely from your memory. Imagine wearing a sleek, ultralight pair of optics that don't just mimic a screen, but seamlessly project a flawless, hyperrealistic digital layer directly over your physical reality with zero lag, zero grain, and perfect depth. Mark Zuckerberg and his team of elite engineers at Meta's Reality Labs have spent billions of dollars on a secretive, multi-year developmental pipeline to create something that completely destroys our understanding of spatial computing. This isn't just an evolutionary upgrade. This is the Meta Quest 4. For years, the tech industry watched as Meta captured the mainstream market with affordable headsets, but behind closed laboratory doors, a massive architectural shift was occurring to build a device capable of going toe-to-toe with the most expensive spatial computers on Earth. The Meta Quest 4 represents a radical redesign that pushes the absolute boundaries of display engineering, silicon processing, and human-computer interaction. Today, we are pulling back the heavy curtain of corporate non-disclosure to look directly at the raw truth of the Meta Quest 4, the ungodly hardware packed inside, the genius engineering choices, and how it is secretly positioning itself to completely dominate our daily digital lives. To truly understand the massive scale of the Meta Quest 4, you have to look at the secret corporate warfare happening in the mixed reality landscape. Meta successfully democratized virtual reality, making it accessible to millions. But they hit an absolute structural bottleneck with previous hardware iterations. The massive consumer shift toward premium augmented experiences forced Meta to completely scrap their predictable development roadmaps and completely rethink their next-generation strategy. They didn't want to just make a better gaming device. They engineered the Quest 4 to be a full-scale architectural pivot. Meta decided to implement a dual-model strategy, internally designing two distinct versions of the headset to conquer different segments of the market simultaneously. The core of this next-generation launch is built around an uncompromising flagship model designed to offer unmatched performance, alongside a highly optimized, hyper-efficient companion model. By doing this, Meta is fundamentally restructuring how hardware interacts with their open horizon ecosystem, creating a direct challenge to premium standalone computing architectures worldwide. The absolute crown jewel of the Meta Quest 4, and the upgrade that will completely change how you perceive digital media, is a total display revolution. For generations, standalone headsets relied on traditional liquid crystal display panels. While functional, LCD technology inherently suffers from washed-out colors, graying dark tones, and massive backlight bleed that continuously reminds your brain that you are looking at a tiny screen inches from your eyes. The Meta Quest 4 permanently shatters this limitation by transitioning to custom-engineered, cutting-edge micro-OLED display panels. These sub-1-inch micro-OLED displays deliver a level of visual fidelity that borders on the breathtaking. We are talking about a massive leap toward a nearly 4K resolution per eye, packing millions of subpixels into a